Hi guys.
Hey guys, morning.
We're a little sad because our Ming-ming did not come home. We've been looking for it all night, all morning. I don't know where it went, what happened. We just, I was driving on the road because I was wondering maybe he got run over or maybe he's in the side of the road somewhere, and we couldn't find him. Dean is looking all over the place, calling him, and I can't believe how much affected I am with that cat, because I guess because we got used to it. He's part of our life. We did what more than anybody would do around here with that cat.
Yeah.
We were feeding him, we were taking care of him, giving
Give him a safe environment.
The cat just got attached to us, and like last night I was like using my flashlight looking all over in the yard, so I thought, oh, maybe he went hunting somewhere, and maybe he will just come home tomorrow morning. But then Dennis opened the door early this morning,
He's
and
gone all night, didn't come back.
yeah, he always is always right there, just
So,
waiting
yeah,
for us
we're
to
worried
open.
and hope that he comes back.
I know. I'm really sad, and my sister Mylene texted me like, "Are you guys coming here to see like they're harvesting the rice right now?" I didn't really have plan of going there.
Well, maybe he'll be back when we go home.
Yeah, I'm hoping so. So we wanna go over to my parents and just look at the harvesting of the rice field, maybe just to makes us feel a little bit of, instead of like staying here at home and then all we talk about was the cat.
Yeah, well.
I hope he's all right. I hope
So
he's
do I. I hope he's all right too.
I really hope that when we come back, he's here. I would be so happy if he comes back.
Yeah, you
That's
never
why
know.
I told everybody, my sisters, that I can't believe that I'm honestly
Just upset about.
yeah, I got so upset since last night when I was looking for him, and because at night while I'm doing a lot of things in the kitchen, he would always be here hanging out, and
Looking in the screen door.
yeah, looking at the screen door and just
Well,
goodness,
hopefully
I
he'll
don't
come
wanna
back.
yeah, I'm hoping that when we come back, he will be here.
Yeah.
Anyway, we're gonna go now because we wanna see the harvest of the rice field. You got your water, honey?
Yeah.
Yeah, I also plugged in that neck fan for Dennis, because in case he gets hot, then you can use it.
Right.
See, neck fan.
Thank you.
And we got some cold water.
Yep.
Let's go. Ready to go.
Let's go, guys.
We're here, guys. I had to drop off Dennis in here, and then I had to park all the way there because there will be a lot of trucks passing by here, and where I used to park there are a bunch of rice in there. So Mylene got Dennis' chair and set it all up in here. They are actually, oh, it looks like they just started harvesting on this rice field here. See? Yeah, I had to park all the way there. Hello guys. Hi everybody. Nanyugto na sila? Hi. Ha? Uy, kayawe. Congratulations, honey.
What?
Oh, you got a good crop this time.
Oh yeah.
Ay, nasugdan na dahil eh. Anang ito, ano? Ha? Ito ba rin, mura magiging nanay agi-agian. Oh? Oh? Huh? There's a motorcycle, honey. I don't know how the motorcycle can pass. Ah, di na ka.
Hold it
Sige,
up.
ito na sa... There's a motorcycle. Ah, pagion na lang. Ha? Nagkama lang ito? Ah, magsigi dyan na kuwan dire. Dire na nasa daplin.
Leave it right there for now, and when they move, I'll just put it right there.
before, guys, it takes for them over an hour to harvest a 1 hectare rice field. Before, when they have to do it by hand, it takes like hi Samuel. It takes 2 to 3 days.
Oh.
But with this machine,
An hour?
just an hour.
Wow.
Amazing.
Naabot na sila dili ano sila dili.
Here, can you hold this for? Seems like something in my throat. Dennis has a different position now.
Yeah.
You are facing to the rice field.
It's an action.
Yeah. We're kind of like anxious, but I have some sort of like mixed emotion because of our Ming-ming did not come home.
Yeah,
Oh, I don't
maybe
even
more.
want to think about it right now because it makes me so upset.
There's the other dog you're getting a harvester.
Kasi di mo dagan ang iro kul ba, apil o galing. Aha. May gipangita. Uy, nakontak na ninyo ang Coopec.
Tawagan naman launa daw mo ata.
Launa? Sa marasa ron.
Batch na daw ni.
See that?
Oo. Yeah.
Sheep.
Hala, ay sumbag na ako pasangin. Oh my God.
Nagkung sana may tambal lang.
Wala man na niya tambali.
Lagong mo ba kasi?
Mo gani.
Ano mga doktor rin ah?
My dad said why we didn't go to the doctor for it. No need.
Yeah.
Now it's time for them to pick up the rice, sacks of rice. Now they are gonna put the sacks on that machine.
Yeah.
Lahi lang na.
Ay, isa ko yun. Isa ko lang.
Ito nga.
This will carry about 15 sacks.
Sack.
Yeah.
15 sackholes.
Honey, you need to move, honey. We're gonna take a quick break. Drink some water. Yeah.
Cheaper.
Dad is carrying this big knife from Sean. Machete. Big machete. Very long and scary machete, guys.
Bayaran naman nila may kini ba?
Oh, hait kayo niya eh.
Di ba mudot lang bayaran?
Ay, Samilin!
Amo na niya tininga.
Samilin!
Wala pa kaninting to
Samilin!
sa nirelito.
Direk! Samilin! Samilin!
Tawag ka na ng subok.
Why is he carrying that big knife? Big knife because there's a Americano in the crowd.
He's just carrying it just in case
I see.
somebody messed up with him. Just joking, guys. No, what happened to your face,
Oh
Samilin?
my gosh.
Dali daw, babe.
Kayo una ko
Yeah, she was telling the story about her face. See, because it banged in the door. So you and uncle are the same now, have bruises. Wala na isako? Samuel?
Yes, kami ante. Rest kami ante.
Oh, we are just having our chika-chika here, guys. Well, everybody's busy.
Going back to the house.
Our dad just over there. I don't know where's Maribin. She didn't come here. Maybe she take a nap. She's taking a nap. Huh? Maribin is washing dishes. Huh?
Hugas tuog ng map.
Oh, Samilin said she is washing dishes and mopping.
Daw blessing na po mo. Wala kang tao diha. Harbi na dia.
Wow. Wow, the bird. Lots of birds. So many birds flying around.
Yeah.
Thank God the sun came out. This is what we need because
Yeah.
it was really there's a low pressure.
It needed to be dried out.
Yeah, it need to be dried out, and you know this is a very important day. Like we don't need the rain today.
Yeah, this is the day we got.
Yeah,
But so far, it's been a very good harvest.
yeah. So far, they're not. I think they're about half already. There's Maribin. Dali, dali go. She's on a bicycle. I'm just talking to my mom. Uy, Maribin, what are you doing?
Eating some snacks.
Maribin is bringing some snack. Is it for us? No, of course it's not for us. It's for the workers. It's for the guys that harvest the rice. Maybe we can get an extra.
Kubi.
It's for the guys that are working so hard.
Fine.
What kind of snack is this?
Alright.
What kind of snack is this?
Biko.
Biko?
Sticky rice.
Wow.
There's Dinis.
Oh, thank
Especially.
Wow, that's nice.
Biko.
Huh? Biko, yeah. I'll eat some biko.
Wala na pula ba?
Huh?
Wala na pula.
Ang biko? Luspad ay na?
Lispad. Pero biko man yan.
Saan man ang bikuhan na? Oy? Basig di na biko putumaya siguro na.
Ew, my God.
Oh my God, you don't need all of this. Okay?
No.
Pila nakasako na.
Ulitan chocolate ng tawhano.
Ha?
They're gonna get a good harvest. I think they're more than half now.
Walang sako.
Diri oh. Kulang ka ni sako.
Kulang sako.
Here's the snack. Diri ra ni. Maribin has to go get more water because they are very thirsty. She's riding on that bicycle of hers. What's up?
How much?
Don't let your feet get too tan.
Yeah. Yeah. It'll be alright. My legs are burning up.
Well, I know that's why you need to move. In here is much cooler in here.
Where?
Right here. Here.
It'll rain pretty soon.
Have to move. Is it much cooler in here, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
My legs are on fire.
I know, see? It's red. Uy. Uy, what are you doing? Similin. Uy,
This is in silent mode.
silent mode. Tanaw ba? Say hi. Uy,
No. She don't
She's not
communicate
in a
with you
mode.
silent mode.
I know. You can't force her. Oh no, the clouds start forming. I hope it's not gonna rain.
So if they get one more tractor load, that'll be 105.
Yeah.
Hello.
He really come running to you, honey.
Hello. How you guys doing?
Little cousins. They came running towards Dennis. Bless. Hala, oy. Hala, oy. Nagpasabak man. You wanna sit on Uncle Dennis' lap?
He's got a cavity. He needs to go to the dentist.
Yeah.
The baby teeth anyway.
Tao naman duha ka bata o nagpasabak. The aunt said, get down in there. You didn't change clothes. You are stinking.
All right.
It's not.
No me go in.
No, it's still not. No.
No.
So guys, we were in a hurry to leave in there because it was about to rain. Well, it looks like it's about to rain in here too. And actually, we stopped by at the road because we had to back up because we thought we saw the cat.
Yeah, I thought it was.
No, it was a smaller than the Ming-ming.
Well, that's pretty small. Ming's not a big cat.
He's still not here, guys. It's later in the day.
I don't know.
Oh my gosh.
I thought it would look like our cat, but
Well, I know it looked like our cat, but it's not our cat, honey, because it has more white in the bottom, in the stomach.
oh, all right.
And then I call like Ming-ming like that. He didn't respond. He would usually respond if I call his name.
Yeah.
My gosh.
Well, it's too bad.
We don't know how much they actually got from that rice field because when we left, they were not done yet. I mean, they're almost done. Maybe there's a few more sacks, but we had to go because it was just about to rain. So anyway, I really thought and I was hoping that by the time we get home, our Ming-ming will be here. But it's not here. We'll see. We're still gonna wait for our Ming until very late today. We've been cooling Ming-ming again, and I was just telling Dennis, it looks like there's a fresh scratch here. Do you think it's from the cat? Maybe it's a.
Well,
It
yeah,
looks-
if there's any there.
Doesn't it look fresh? Because he pooped here in the gravel. See?
Yeah, it looked smooth this morning. I didn't notice anything.
You think because it was raining last night?
Yeah, so he probably came while we're gone.
Yeah, maybe he came here because see, it looks fresh.
Yeah.
And I can smell the fresh poop from the cat.
Taste it, see how fresh it is.
Huh?
Taste it, see how fresh it is.
You really joking with me, honey. You know I'm very
Well, I don't want you to
Upset.
get all upset.
Well, I know. Well, I am upset because
Try to stay positive.
well, when I saw this, maybe I'm a little hopeful that it will. Yeah, I can smell it. It's very stinky.
Well, probably came while we were gone.
You think so?
Yeah, well, maybe he'll come back tonight.
Ming! Ming! Maybe he's hiding in here somewhere. And my plants fell. Huh? I didn't stick my hand. I was just trying to get all the plants that fell over. I'm hoping we will be able to have him back.
Maybe should put this back in his chair. I don't know.
Oh, he likes to hang out in here. That's why I moved the rug in here.
No.
Anyway, guys, I have to go meet up with my mom because, you know, she's the only one that went with the truck to sell the rice. So after she sell it, I have to take her back to that place where we always meet up between the cement road and rough road. So, you know, they can come pick her up. And then, that's what I'm going to do. And maybe I feel a little better now, guys, because of that fresh poop
Right.
there. So
And
maybe
you
our
tell them
Ming-ming
the
is...
total of what your dad got?
Huh?
128 cents.
Oh yeah, I forgot, guys. I just I heard from them, from my sisters, that what they got on 1 hectare was 128. Wow,
Wow.
that's very good.
That's very good.
My dad is so happy. So good for them. They can make profit and then they can use it again next time to prepare their rice again. And it's just like rolling and make a little profit.
right.
And then, you know, that's how they earn.
Good for them.
Yeah, good for them. Anyway, guys, that will be it for our video today because like I said, I'm gonna meet up with my mom and then you're gonna stay here, of course.
Right.
And then I'm hoping that tomorrow I'll have some better news about our Ming-ming. I'm hoping also
Let's hope
myself.
so.
Oh Lord, please let our Ming-ming come back.
Mr. Ming, come home.
I hope so. Thank you very much, guys, for watching today's video. I am hoping you will keep watching our videos.
Take care.
See you
Thanks for
guys
watching.
soon. Bye.